Hey guys, it's Normal here and I am back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing another money making app called Surveys on the Go. With this app, you simply complete short and easy 1-minute surveys for cold hard cash. You can get this app by downloading it on the Google Play Store. So if you want to learn more ways to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So yes guys, as you can see, we are currently on the home screen of the app, and at the top there are 3 categories: surveys, earned, and profile. So at the surveys category, here is where you will find all the surveys currently available, and as you can see, it says there are no available surveys at this time. Making sure notifications are on will ensure you're immediately alerted about new surveys. So guys, when using this app, ensure that notifications are always on, so that as a new survey is available, you can do it as quick as possible. So let's move to the next section, which is earned. So at the earned category, you will find information on your current balance, payout history, and survey history. So at the current balance section, you can see your balance and cash out to PayPal after you reach a minimum amount of $10. At the payout history section, you can see the payouts that you have made, and at the survey history section is where you can see the past surveys you have done. So here are the description of the surveys that I have done already. So let's move to the last section, which is profile. At the profile category, you can see your profile information, turn on location services, notifications, link your profile with Facebook, and also share the app with your friends. And last but not least, at the right hand corner of the app, you will see 3 dots. Here, you can change your password, share the app with friends, find help, read the terms and conditions, and you can also log out of your account. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below, and share this video with a friend. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.